Thank you, my friend, for your lovely presentation. Let's move on to our demonstration part. As you can see here, this is our Smart Governing Portal homepage. It consists five main components. The first one is the app bar. Uniquely, it's called as in app bar in the Flutter framework, but we are using mostly like it is like the navigation bar. So the next component is the welcome message component and the section. So after that, we are providing the services section, which is indicating the what are the services that we are going to give to our users. Here are four services that we are planning to give to our users: the Smart National Identity Card Verification System, Smart Driving License Verification System, Inquiry Tracking System, and the Smart Passport Verification System. So after that, there is a section called Explore Government Services, like the services that government is already giving to the citizens, but it scattered through many dimensions, and we had a plan to get all the details into one place. So that's what we have done here. So here, as you can see, there are so many categories to go with: the citizens registration, about citizens registrations, like that, employment information, that the Ministry of Public Administration, Home Affairs, and the all the details that needed. So after that, there is the footer. So it shows you some related information about the government services. So after that, in our home page, you can see there is a small message indicating button. When you press it, it will show you the Smart Governing Portal Assistant. So you can ask any question from this assistant. Let's say, hi, how to get my birth certificate in Sri Lanka. As you can see here, the assistant will give you the answers. Steps to obtain a birth certificate in Sri Lanka. Step 1, gather required documents. Visit the Registrar General's department. Submit application form. Verification and fee payment, and the correct birth certificate and the additional notes here. All the details that you need to know. Alright, so let's move. So to use our smart governing portal, you need to log into the system. So if you guys have the credentials, you can use login page to log into the system. If you don't have the credentials, you can create a new account. Let's create a new account. All right, as you can see here, we have created a new user. So you can see that hello, welcome back, Sandaru. And yeah, you can see the smart governing portal here also. And there are the services that you can explain about the government that the government servings to the citizens. And here you can see the smart national identity card verification system and the smart driving license verification system. To obtain the smart NIC or the smart driving license, you need to fill a form. Let's go to this section. Before you fill in of this form, please read the following before using the service. And here are the needed information about the form filling. And let's go to fill our form. So it is asking what is your full name. So I have typed the full name as Jayashankar Sundaru Nirmal Dasan. Other names no. NIC number is like that, and date of birth is in 1988. Birthplace is Jaffna. Gender male. Profession lecturer. Address your province. Northern district. Illinois. Area code. Issue date of the NIC registration and national identity card. And the document number of the ID card. So let's submit it. After the submission, you will redirect to the NIC template page, which is showing you the template of the national identity card with the entered informations. So here you can see the ID card, you can see all the details that you have entered, and here also you can see waiting for approval message, which means your identity card is not approved by the admin yet. So the system is working like this. When you after you apply into the smart NIC or the smart driving license system, there are authorization officers that you need to go and verify that you are the one who's filling this form and applying to this smart NIC. So we are planning to do that there are we can add 9 authorization officers to 9 provincial, or we can add 25 authorization officers to 25 districts in Sri Lanka. So let's see how the admins or the authorization officers can see this system. So first we need to log out, and after log out, let's go to the admin panel. So we have predefined some authorization officers here, because some users can't come here and register themselves into this system as an admin, so we can't do that now. So because of that, we have predefined, which means above the authorization officers there are admins or the super users, who are having the backend credentials, all the backend credentials. So they will add the authorization officers to the system. So we have added one officer here. So let's see. All right, we have logged in as the officer. Hello, welcome back, officer. So this page is only to government admins. So as you can see here, there are 4 types: the list of users that requesting Smart NIC, the previous list of users for Smart NIC, and same for the Smart Driving License system. So after that, let's see the user we have added. All right. As you can see here, there is the user that we have added, Jashankar Sandaru Nirmala Dasan, 2024, April 9th at 4:02 a.m. So let's see his template. As you can see here, this is the template of that particular person. So when you are an admin, you need to see all the details about the added information and see is this all the details are correct. If they are correct, you can click the correct button or incorrect button. So let's click it's correct. So are you sure? Make sure all the details are 100% correct. Okay, it's clear. All right, form validation is complete. You will receive the QR code for NIC soon. So let's go to our users page again. So we have used the sandaru@gmail.com. All right, we are back. So let's see our smart national identity card verification system. All right, your ID is verified now. As you can see here, your ID has been verified by the authorization officer, one of the authorization officer. So after that, you will receive the NIC QR code like this. So that's all about our system. So that's how it works. So thank you for your kind attention.